It's the bird watching channel, and today I'm outside. I don't usually go outside, but today my mom let me go outside. As you can see, there are 3 birds up on the tree. Let me zoom in. What I think is, it's, I don't know what type of bird it is, but I think they made their nest in the trees. Oh, you see, they flown. There's only one left. What the heck is that? Never mind. Back to the birds. Let me zoom out. Ah, it's so cold. It's winter. My house. Oh, there's two. Yeah. Ooh, it's freezing out here. Whoa, there's a third one. Okay, there are 3 birds. Oh, a little bit here. It looks like sparrows, but I'm not too sure. No, they're not sparrows. They're like... Let me get really close here. Okay. So, if any one of you know what this type of bird is, tell me in the comments below. Whoa. It's right over there. I'm going in. Bye-bye, everybody. It's the Bird Watching Channel.